Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my review of the Lenovo IdeaPad 330S. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The Lenovo IdeaPad 330S is one of the recent entries in its S series of laptops, with the previous one being the Lenovo IdeaPad 320S. This laptop comes in many different variants and price ranges, with the cheapest one coming in at $500, which will be featured here, that comes with the new 8th Gen Intel Core i3 CPU. The design and build quality of the laptop is one of its strong suits, as it is with most of Lenovo's S-series laptops. The laptop actually comes in a fully plastic body, which you would be surprised looking at it for the first time. It doesn't have that cheap plastic feeling as some other budget laptops, because the plastic used here is very premium and the metal finish all around the laptop gives it a nice look. It does resemble most of its other S-series variants, such as the IdeaPad 320S, but that isn't a negative by any means. Other than just looking pretty, the laptop is also extremely thin and light, as the name would suggest, weighing in at just around 1.7 kilos, which is extremely light for a budget laptop. Overall, the build quality of the laptop is great. The port selection and input available on the laptop is also good. It comes with 2 USB ports, one USB 3 and one USB 2, a USB Type-C port, a HDMI port, a SD card slot, a headphone microphone combo jack and power in. Overall, this should be good for most things, and I have little to no complaints here. The keyboard and trackpad on this are above average. You get a backlit checklist type keyboard here that has medium travel and clicky keys. The feedback on the keys is however not good, but even then, it is usable for most things. The trackpad has a smooth glossy surface with no buttons and Windows Precision drivers pre-installed. I basically have no complaints with the trackpad, as it tracks well enough and the multi-touch gestures work fine as well. Sound quality on the laptop is however not very good. The laptop has 2 bottom-facing speakers that aren't very loud, have poor clarity, and get distorted when listening at high volume levels. Thankfully though, the DAC for the headphones is quite good and gives out good sound for almost every headphone. The display on the laptop is one of its biggest plus points. With the laptop, you either get a 15.6 inch or 14 inch Full HD IPS display depending on the model you choose. The display is bright and vibrant and features accurate looking colors, good viewing angles, and some really thin bezels that improve the viewing experience exponentially. Considering that this laptop is a budget laptop, this is a big reason to buy the laptop for any kind of media consumption. The performance on the IdeaPad 330S is where it falls when compared to its competitors. The specs on this include the Intel Core i3 8130U processor, 6GB of RAM, a 1TB hard drive, integrated Intel UHD 620 graphics, and Windows 10. Even though these specs might not be the worst out there, and also that this laptop might not even perform that bad with normal tasks such as web browsing and media consumption, the fact that you can get much better performance and specs from its competitors like the Asus VivoBook S15 and the Acer Aspire 5 makes this laptop less worth it. Editing is doable up to a very less extent, and gaming is basically not doable because it does not have a dedicated GPU. The thermals on the laptop are pretty good overall. It remains silent most of the times and also doesn't get warm even at higher loads such as editing and gaming. Battery life on this is decent at best. You can make the laptop last up to 5 to 6 hours on a single charge, which is not too impressive but is still usable for most people. So the final verdict for the Lenovo IdeaPad 330S is that for $500, this laptop offers a great build and a good looking display but poor performance. Therefore, even though I really like the laptop, I wouldn't recommend this to people who want to do the least bit of gaming or editing on their laptop, as there are other options out there for that, but I would still recommend this to anyone who wants a thin and light laptop for work or for any kind of media consumption. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.